Welcome to another Finalweb 2.0 tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to add Google fonts to our website. Now, Finalweb comes default with a decent list of nice fonts to choose from, but sometimes you want something a little more custom. For this, we have provided the ability to add Google fonts to your website in just a couple easy steps. Obviously, the first thing you're going to want to do is to pick your font. I have the Google Fonts site here on this other tab, which you can find by going to fonts.google.com. Here you can browse the list of fonts Google has provided for free, and even filter the fonts by category, language, or other font properties just to find the font you are looking for. For this video, I have already decided that I am going to use the font called Berkshire Swash. You can see it's a nice, almost calligraphy-like font that I think would look good on my homepage. All we need from here is the name of the font, so you can either take note of how it is spelled, or simply highlight and copy the font name. Once we have the name, just head back to your final website. Back here, we go to our menu of settings on the left and choose the Site Settings. When that pulls up the menu on the right, click on the Layout Settings tab. Here we can see the section to add in Google Fonts, and now we simply type or paste in the font name. If you use multiple Google fonts, it is important that you hit the Enter key and add it as a new line on this section. For example, I know there is also a font called ASAP, so I will add it here on a new line. Once you have added the names of the fonts you want to use on your site, hit the Save Changes button, and your web page should refresh itself. Once it's been refreshed, simply click on the text you want to edit and pull up the text editing toolbar. The new Google font should be added to the bottom of the font list. If they are not displaying correctly, you should be able to still select them. Go ahead and do so. After saving your changes, refreshing should cause the fonts to display correctly. We'll save our changes, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to add Google Fonts to your Finalweb 2.0 site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.